So, hello everyone, and welcome back to another session of our online classes for English, class 8 Seba. Now, sorry, let me tell you that we are doing chapter number. What is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is Louis Pasteur, and lesson number 5 it is. So, let us begin. Now, we were doing question number 4. After that, we will do question number 5. In question number 5, a man came running towards Louis Pasteur. The man was frightened. What is the matter? Louis asked him. Someone has been bitten by a mad wolf from the mountain. ইয়াত চোৱা ইয়াত দিয়া আছে has been bitten. এইটো তোমাৰ ইটালিক্সত দিয়া আছে. ইটালিক্সত দিয়া শব্দবিলাক কি হ'ব? The words printed in italics are in the P dash 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 voice. P মানে passive voice. Passive voice হ'ব এইটো. আকৌ চোৱা A number, a mad wolf from the mountain has bitten someone. এইটো কি হ'ব? ইয়াত ইটালিক্সত দিয়া কি হ'ব? Has bitten to কি হ'ব? Has been bitten to passive হৈ গ'ল আৰু has bitten to কি হ'ব? Yes, A for active voice. Yes, active voice it will be. So question number 6 লৈ question number 6ত আমি present continuous বা simple present tense চেঞ্জ কৰিব লাগিব বা fill in the blanks কৰিব লাগিব যে we dash football in the afternoon. Play দিয়া আছে we are playing হ'ব we are playing football in the afternoon. ঠিক তেনেকৈ number 2 টো হ'ব the sun is rising in the east. Riser হৈ যাব rising is rising. Number 3 টো হ'ব চোৱা don't make a noise the baby dash sleep দিয়া আছে the baby is sleeping. Yes. Number 4 টো চোৱা someone is knocking at the door can you hear it question mark knock to দিয়া আছে knock to হৈ যাব তোমাৰ knocking is knocking. আৰু number 5 টো হৈ যাব the man is running towards the bus run to হৈ যাব is running towards the bus. Number 6 the bus usually comes at 8 o'clock come to হৈ যাব কি হ'ব comes. আৰু number 7 টো কি হ'ব he dash for an engineering entrance exam prepare to কি হৈ যাব preparing is preparing. Number 8 টো কি হ'ব he dash German learn আছে he is learning German হৈ যাব. Thank you. We'll come to question number 7. In question number 7 we will fill up the verbs will fill up the gaps with the simple past or past continuous form of the verb. Louis Pasteur dash in 1895 die to কি হৈ যাব died হৈ যাব. Number 2 টো হ'ব Pasteur knew that the mad wolf dash from rabies suffer দিয়া আছে suffered হ'ব এইটো. Number 3 টো হ'ব when I reach his house he dash lunch he have দিয়া আছে have to হৈ যাব had. Number 4 টো দিয়া আছে I dash last evening arrive I arrived last evening. Number 5 টো চোৱা the boys dash football when it suddenly began to rain play দিয়া আছে the boys played football. We'll again come to question number 8 to চোৱা yesterday I was returning from school alone return to হৈ যাব I was returning. On the way I saw a group of boys around a dog. The dog seemed to be mad and the boys dash dash were throwing stones at it. This make to হৈ যাব made the dog angry and frightened. The dog begin দিয়া আছে ব্ৰেকেটত begin to হৈ যাব began to bark angrily. The boys find দিয়া আছে find to হৈ যাব found this very funny and they hit to hit থাকিব hit the dog with a stick. I dash dash stand দিয়া আছে I was standing nearby quietly. Suddenly the dog rushed at me rush to হৈ যাব rushed and bite to হৈ যাব bit me. I shout হ'ব shouted to the boys to help me but they run to হৈ যাব ran away. The dog ডেছৰ আগত পাছ চাইডত দিয়া আছে ইজ টু হৈ যাব was. The dog was so angry that it dash will দিয়া আছে will to হৈ যাব would not let go of my leg. Finally, three men from a nearby shop come দিয়া আছে ব্ৰেকেটৰ ডেছৰ চাইডত ব্ৰেকেটত দিয়া আছে come to হৈ যাব came out and dash chase ব্ৰেকেটত দিয়া আছে the dog chase to হৈ যাব chase the dog away. Let's come to question number 9. Question number 9ত ইয়াত দিয়া আছে মিনিংছৰ লগত ৱৰ্ডছৰ মেচ কৰিব লাগিব বা ৱৰ্ডছৰ লগত আমি মিনিং মেচ কৰিব লাগিব. Scared to হ'ব to be frightened of something or afraid that something bad might happen. Scratched, এইটো হ'ব when the skin is cut or damaged slightly with something sharp such as nail. Ailing, sick and not improving. Virus, a living thing too small to be seen without a microscope that causes infectious diseases. Microorganism, a very small living thing that you can only see under a microscope. Thank you. So, question number 10. ইয়াত চিত্ৰ কেইটামান দিয়া আছে, চিত্ৰৰ পৰা চাই চাই আমি কেইটামান বাক্য লিখিব লাগিব। প্ৰথম বাক্যটোত মই লিখিছোঁ a boy was chased by a dog. ইয়াত এটা কুকুৰে ল'ৰা এটাক খেদি আহিছে বা ল'ৰা এজনক খেদি আহিছে। The dog, next দৃশ্যটোত আমি লিখিছোঁ the dog bit the boy and left. কুকুৰে ল'ৰাজনক কামুৰিলে আৰু পলাই গ'ল। তাৰপিছত ল'ৰাজনক দেখিছোঁ ডক্টৰ আৰু নাৰ্ছৰ ওচৰত আছে। The boy fell sick and went to the doctor. যে ল'ৰাজন বেমাৰ পৰি গ'ল আৰু সি ক'লৈ গৈছে, কাৰ ওচৰলৈ গৈছে, ডক্টৰৰ ওচৰলৈ গৈছে। য়েছ, ডক্টৰৰ ওচৰলৈ গৈছে। তাৰ নেক্সট দৃশ্যটোত চাওঁ the doctor gave him a vaccine. ডক্টৰে তাক ইনজেকশ্যন দিলে আৰু and he is taking rest. আৰু ই এতিয়া ৰেষ্ট লৈ আছে।